What's up, guys? Oh, that's what's weird. I was like, I feel like I'm missing something. My ability to see. That would do it. That would do it. That would hinder me. Shaggy, what's up? And Demonte, hi. How are you guys? How you doing? Are you guys doing amazing? Okay. So, shoot, I forgot to do one last thing. Damn it. I thought I was organized. Okay. There we go. Good. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Okay, we are now... It's Thursday, right? I just have to remember where the hey diddly day we are in the week. Where's my... I thought I opened that. Oh, I lied. Apparently I'm not as organized as I thought I was. How's everybody doing this morning? How's life? We all good? Hey Francis, what's up? Are you doing amazing? Okay, sorry. Enough chit chat. Let's look at this. What the heck happened here? I'm going to assume there was news. I know it's bad to assume. Hey Tachi, what's up? How are we doing? And Peaky Trading, hi! For anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How are we all doing? How are we all doing? There we go, there we go. Okay, so, was there news? I'm going to assume that there was news. I know it's bad to assume, but this looks like some news BS that happened over there. Anyways, let's go through everything. Hey, bonjour, what's up, James? Peaky Trading. You see I'm from Argentina. What makes you think that? Okay. Here is our new daily opening gap. See, we struggled to break above it, so it's pretty decently strong. Did retest it a few times, but eventually got rejected. So that's cool. There's our new daily. Let me mark out my levels. Okay, so I don't know why it counts it as New York over there. I feel like New York is from down here, but I will go with that. Oh, sorry, I'm getting excited about this purely because of, look at this. Wow. This is a strong zone right here. That is a very strong zone. Okay then. Okay then. Then previous day highs up here. Good grief. I'm actually just gonna white line. Cool. Asia high right up here. It's also low-key a little bit of a equal high, but let's just call it Asia high for now. Like I said, it's low-key, but it is there. This is just insanity. This is absolute insanity. It's also making me sad because when Asia moves like this, not always, but it tends to mean that London can be a little bit choppy, which kind of sucks because it does mean that it may or may not be a hands-off day for me if that does happen. Okay, but last thing I need, there we go, is midnight. Last thing I have to just go and mark out for me, myself, and I. Gotta mark this bad boy out right here. Yeah. I'll leave that one there for now. Awesome. Marked everything out, we're good to go. What time frame? Oh, player, what's up? Sorry, I went on a mission. This is the 1 minute currently. Good morning. We can see a dump. I mean, let's see. That drop is from false reports. I got caught up in that. Oh no, Shaki. Hopefully you got caught up in the good way, like you were in a cell. Please say you were in a cell when that happened. 1 minute shot. Yes, old Lem. I am on the 1 minute shot. What's up? How we doing? Are we good? Are we right in the brain? No such like. Do I need to play the stop loss noise for you? Will it make you feel better? I know Debbie's not here yet, and she'll be disappointed that she misses it, but I'll do it for you. Exactly. That is exactly what stop losses are for. Can you imagine? You would have blown your account if you didn't have a stop loss. Sure. Okay, I feel like just for you. I did catch the bounce back up though. Oh, that's good though. Okay, so not bad. Not bad. Nice. So okay, we have a mixed bag of fruits right here. Then last thing is then a whoop whoop. Because it sounds like you then are back in the green, right? Put a trend line, it would be good. Where? So I generally don't use trend lines. I don't have anything against them. I think they're actually quite good, especially for once they've broken the trend line. They tend to, but email has, so I wouldn't have one. Okay. Almost left. Coach Carter, what's up? How are we doing? Okay, sorry. Let's go through everything quickly. Here we go. Did you see my brain malfunction there for a second? Okay, we still just went higher yesterday. I've said this, and I've said this 1,000 times before. Trend is friend until it's not. Trend is friend until it's not. I'm just gonna keep on saying that. Literally, trend is friend until it's not. I'm in California. Oh, that's cool. I'm in South Africa. How's it going? So, daily, let's check the 4 hour. We do see that wick down, but it still has not broken. On the 4 hour, it did tap into this little bit of an order block, and then we went back up. Trend is friend, trend is friend, trend is friend. I just have to keep telling myself that until proven otherwise. Okay. Oh, y'all aren't gonna like me saying this, but I do think it's gonna go back up again. Maybe not now, but it's eventually gonna go back up again. Well, obviously. It's obviously gonna eventually go back up and then it's gonna go back down. You know, when is always the key point. Sorry, that was very dumb of me to say. I lie? This could be where we start to see the downward trend. I think this is close to the 50% mark. Let's see if it drops from here. If it drops from here, this could be it. This could start to slowly start trending to the sell side. Okay, so let's check the 5 minute. Not bad, not bad. Hey, Tipple, what's up? How are we doing? You're the first South African trader I've ever chatted with. Interesting. Really, old Liv? That's very cool. Welcome then. Hey Vasu, how you doing? Morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. I hope trend is friend until it's not. Yep. You trade the Dow only. Interesting. How's the Dow looking? Trend is friend, but we have correction and we have take action. But prepare now. I would love a second retest of Asia lows. Shaki, I would actually really like to, let me go back to the 1 minute and show you. I would like to see it take out the plethora of sell side, I mean, you can see it here. Look at all the sell side liquidity just chilling over here. Basically these relative equal lows over here. That's not even the area I'm thinking of, is it? It's not. I'm gonna have to zoom out a little bit. No, wait, I've lost myself. I found myself, nobody panic. Here we go, let me put my things back up. Then it'll give me a better idea. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna say something that might upset some people, or it's going to impress some people, but I do have to sometimes quote unquote brag about it. I will. So this sell side liquidity is what I'm low-key interested in right here. Look at all these equal lows. Okay, so I was looking at the correct thing. I was just having a moment. At 807, 805, that level, so much sell side liquidity. Maybe even go back down, take out yesterday's Asia low. So what I wanted to say, which I find very interesting. Okay, remember the bob levels. Remember we're at all-time highs. We are literally at all-time highs. So you can't say it's based off of things. Do you see how it's tapped into a bob level and then reversed back down? It literally went down 2 bob levels and then went straight back up to the next bob level. Here we failed. We failed a little bit there on the bob level, but you can even see that it rejected off of the bob level. Sorry, I know I got on about the bob levels. I think it just literally blows my mind. It literally just blows my mind a little bit, these bob levels, because they are insane. Come on, break very low. Thanks, Debbie. Opening, that was the first reading. Bob level, so do you see these shaded areas? Sorry, Bob is one of the community members, and it's basically an indicator that he researched and studied and he found these levels. And again, like I said, just it's insane. It is absolutely just insane. Sorry, but I will stop shooting other people's horns. Let's now go to 3 a.m. Okay, 3 a.m. open. Let's do this thing. Let's see what we are now gonna get. See if we get some continuation. I just gotta wait for some confirmation. So sorry, I might sit here for a little bit while we wait. Matthias, what's up? You're saying long? Should we do a poll again today? Let's see. Should we do a poll again today and see? Dom is in on a short. Let me check out Discord. Damn. Okay. Sorry, I want to quickly do this. Done. Done and done. Sorry, my brain goes a little bit everywhere. It's the ADHD. Hey, Brian, what's up? Kalani long 27040, then back down. Interesting. Like I said, this is where I'm low-key a little bit hands-off. Let's get confirmation. Because of the extreme moves that Asia had, I will not be surprised if London is low-key gonna go sideways. Let's actually do a poll. What do you think about your mentor? He is clearly unprofitable. Oh, I'm assuming you're talking about ICT. Pedri. Okay. Anyways, doesn't matter if he's unprofitable if the people that are using his strategy are profitable. That's how I feel about that. And secondly, I actually don't exclusively use him. I just use some of his concepts. But what I wanted to do, I was actually on a mission to do things. Sorry, got distracted. Managed to. Go. Okay. Now, like I said, let's do a poll because I'm curious. Well, hey guys, anyone that's just hopped on, give me a second. I'm curious to hear what your thoughts are with today. Okay, let's do this thing. Anyone that has just hopped on, guess what you get?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay, let's get this party started. I'm saying that like I'm expecting it to move a lot. For me, personally, I think we might see chop today. I'm very happy to be proven wrong. I know I've said this a few times, but I'm very happy to be proven wrong. But I have a feeling that we might get chop, which is fine. I will be happy if London is accumulation and then New York we get some proper distribution. That'd be awesome. ICT concepts do work, whether you can use them effectively. Don't matter, there's loads of people that are profiting off ICT concepts, OCT being a perfect example. ICT concepts are profitable. Debbie, that's exactly right. I like to see price trade up overnight. Wishful thinking. Hold them. You never know. You literally never know. I feel like that's the thing. Right now, it's at all-time highs. No one can say for sure. You cannot guarantee yes or no that it is or is not. People like to poo. Oh, nice. But the reality is a lot of the system is just random ideas used in other systems. Exactly, but you know, at the end of the day, if I don't, you can name it. I mean, there's already weird names for it. Let's just be real. You can name it Rainbow Fart for all I care, as long as it helps someone. Who cares? Yeah, I think that's my main thing. If what he has done, or if any of these people trying to help have helped someone become profitable, then what difference does it make? If people are happy, if people are making money using methods, whatever the name is, right? Doesn't matter. We have to close under VWAP. Which currency is this? Not a currency. Sorry, Leogo. Luego. I feel like I butchered that completely. But which currency is this? Sorry, it's the Nasdaq futures. Oh, leave a like and sub. Aw, Coach Carter, you're a sweetie pie. Coach Carter, how's your trading been, by the way? I'm naming my next spot Rainbow Farts. Please do it. Please do it. I'm sorry, but it is hilarious, you know? It's the same as, okay, OTT is low-key branded my strategy, the TMT strategy. It's a hybrid. It's not like original. I've used different concepts to make my strategy. So you can't say like, I came up with it and no. I use that, I use that, I use that. Boom, TMT. Or maybe we should just start calling it unicorn farts, rainbow farts. Unicorn rainbow fast. There we go. I only trade during New York session. It's interesting to see traders in other parts of the world trading different sessions. So Old Lem, I actually trade both London and New York session. So I actually do trade both sessions, mostly because I'm quite particular with my setup. And recently, maybe today it's going to prove me wrong. Recently, London and I have not been besties, but New York has been going really, really well, so that's good. But again, I think I irritate a lot of people because I tend to sit and wait a very long time for my setups to form. But when they're there, I've now gotten a lot better at taking them. I used to sit there and triple in. I got in my head a little bit and I wouldn't take A+ setups and then miss winning trades, and then I would be sad. But I've gotten better at going, there's my A+ setup, I'm taking it, win or lose, doesn't matter. It's A+, we're going for it. ICT works in hindsight, right? The variable is always the trader. James J, I like that. But it's the same argument as any... what do you call it? Sorry, my brain malfunctioned. Any strategy can be profitable. Any strategy, as long as you know when to execute it. Done. Dusted. When and where to execute it. You know, that being said, any strategy can then obviously also not be profitable because you're not executing it correctly. Who the heck is to say if it works or not? Hey Daniel, Paul, do you only look at NQ when trading it, or do you also look at what S&P is doing for different similarities with SMT? I do, Paul, sorry. I'm assuming you're on the vertical. Here we go. I do have ES open on the side here as well, so I watch both of them at the same time and check what it's doing. So like ES now is hitting a little bit of a ceiling. I'm gonna just start calling it a ceiling. It's hitting a little bit of a ceiling over here, but it keeps retesting it. So I call it a little bit of a ceiling on ES. I don't definitely know what it's called. There's probably a better name, but you see how flat that is. Or tabletop. Maybe a tabletop is better. Ceilings aren't always flat. Tabletop should theoretically be flat. Flat as a pancake. Dom, I hate disagreeing with you. I hate disagreeing with you. This could still spike down. I think it might go up. Hey, sideways is winning for a change. That's interesting. Okay. With the poll, so we have bulls winning by 43% on the one side, and we have sideways winning by 45% on the other side. So that's very interesting. I am in the opinion that sideways is probably going to be the way to go. Again, I'm not too phased about that. If Asia was manipulation and this is accumulation and then New York is distribution, awesome. You know, AMD doesn't always have to be in order. I was taught that. Not wrong. I'm in a rainbow fart long right now. Damn, is this what we're gonna start calling this? I love it. Unicorn fart dust is an actual crypto. Come again? What did you just say? I like it. We'll have to ask OTT permission to use unicorn made his strategy into indicator OTT's unicorn detect. I love it. It's a secret sauce. What's up, Jose? How you doing? I found my edge in trading, but also beat myself when losing it over. Oh, interesting. That ceiling is the one out when EMA on my chart. Oh, nice. Okay. Grinding back grinders. What happened? Yes, it could go down. Have to look close to volume. Put up unicorn fart dust is a real crypto coin. I'm actually gonna Google this. Fart dust. dust. A crypto coin. Boom, how are we doing? Sorry, good grief, Boom. You're like, you said hi, and then all of a sudden, wow. Good grief. Sorry, Boom, I'm busy looking at unicorn fart dust, the flipping cryptocurrency. If you guys don't believe me, let's have a quick look at this. I am low-key in shock. What the heck, man? Yes, unicorn fart dust is a real cryptocurrency launched in late 2024 as a meme coin and social experiment. It was created by YouTuber Basement Ron, a self-described boomer, to satirize the speculative nature of the crypto market, aiming to prove that such tokens hold no intrinsic value despite often high market activity. It operates on the Solana platform. Is it doing well? Who can go check if unicorn fart dust is doing well? It has a total supply of 1 billion tokens. What? Who can verify this? Who can? That is insane. That is hilarious, but that is insane. Unicorn fart dust. Okay, back to the charts. That break my brain. Do you see? It broke my brain so early in the morning on a Thursday. I nearly said so early in the morning on a Thursday afternoon. Gosh, I'm broken. Hey girl, I don't know if you know about volatility. If you do, kindly help me out. Pop me a message. What exactly do you want to know about them? Lady Wakano? I did look crypto. If you trade gold and silver, Ron's basement is great for analysis part. It's going at 2K today so far. Hey, Boom, nice! Whoop whoop. I only trade Bitcoin and I should just quit my job and do what you do. Why do you say them? Why do you say that, Platinum? Okay. I'm keep printing that money. Do I trade gold? Hey, Forex for life. I do not trade gold, sorry. I have looked at gold. I am not good at trading gold. I've tried it twice. Yeah, not the best at it. Not even gonna sugarcoat it. My mug. My mug. What's up? That's how my mug looks. Yep, this is my mug. Makes me happy. It's large, and I get lots of tea from it. Lady Wakano, do you have Discord? If not, you can pop me an email. Either are fine. But how long have I been trading? 1 year now, guys. Officially, it's been like 1 year. How cool. So I think the next question is, right, it has been a year. It has officially been a year, right? A year of trading. Do you think we should maybe do something, especially because, I mean, tomorrow is Friday. Should we maybe just do a longer stream? I mean, we can do that, where tomorrow maybe I start normal time, but instead of me hopping off at a certain time, I just stay. I can do that. I can just stay until normal time. I exit on New York, but I mean, it's a few extra hours. I don't know if it's worth it. What do you guys think? Or what do you think could be fun for like a 1 year celebration? One thing I like about your trading is you're being real honest. Oh, 100%. Guru James. So I thought of Gouda, but anyways. That is, I think that's the point of this channel. It is a very real, open, honest situation. Okay, I'm not here to sugarcoat it. You guys have seen me having some really rough days. You guys have seen me go through the emotions. You guys have seen me just kind of shut down on the emotions. It's very real, open and honest about the whole situation. And that's what I want. I think there's too many people out there that glorify, maybe that's the right word. They glorify trading. They make it seem like you're gonna do it and you're gonna get rich real quick and you're gonna, yay. No. No. I think that's the problem right there. Hey, Dom, you called that noisily. To be fair, it did take out the high that I wanted to see it take out on ES. Huh. Okay, so it worked out better on ES with regards to that little spike. Can't do random ES. Stop by. Aw, thanks, old lamb. You're so sweet. Am I profitable now? No. I'm not profitable yet. My email address, sorry, it's teachmoneytrading@gmail.com. Pretty sweet and simple. Am I marking out the order blocks? I'm not marking out the order blocks, sorry. I'm just here, sitting and waiting for my setup. And you know, sometimes the markets can be boring. At least I got you guys, right? Keep each other entertained for days where it's going sideways. You can journal about your 1 year as a celebration and maybe two. Do something. You can journal about your 1 year as a celebration. Maybe take one or do something that's on your bucket list. Oh, I mean, to be fair, I still have one more thing to do, but I did promise you guys that I would go shark cage diving. I did shark cage diving as a celebration for 1,000 subscribers. I need to do one more thing, but that one will have to wait until I'm back up in Joburg. I will get a trading tattoo. That was the deal as well. What time frame? I'm currently on the 1 minute. I predicted a pretty good reversal. Do you think it's still okay? For how long? Up to what point? Oh damn, okay, looks like the bulls actually won this round in the bowls, guys. Let's see. Nifty is down 92% from its all-time high. It's worth... Oh, okay, so that's cheap as heck, Shaki. Sorry, Shaki. It took me a minute to understand what you were talking about. Now I remember what we were literally just talking about. UFD is down 92% from its all-time high. It's worth $0.082 per token. So what I'm hearing is we should invest now, right? Shaki, is that what I'm hearing? We should just invest right now. Go for it. So the bulls won by 42%, the bears 29, and sideways 29. Wow, okay. On the other side, we got bulls by 38, sideways 38, and bear 24. Wow, okay, so not a lot of people are feeling the bears today. It's low-key a toss-up between bull and sideways. Let's see if we are correct. Let's see if this is gonna be it. Let's see if you guys are accurate. Buy the dip, exactly. Is your email under a unicorn? No, it's not. Sorry. You want to email me? It's under my bio. There we go. Or it's under the description of the channel. Whatever it's called. It's called a bio, right? Is it called a bio? Chop chop. Hey! Is it Mool Alchemy? Mool? What's Mool? Okay, let me check the ACV. No problem. You should use like an actually easier to track trends and predict reversals. DJ, I mean, if I really wanted to do that, I would just also put this on. See, this is a little bit more accurate on the 5-minute. Let's see. I mean, did predict a sell there, predicted a sell there. Let's see, it says a buy here, but you do have to wait a little bit. Let's see what it does. Predicted buy is down there. Ooh, didn't predict the buy down there though. Interesting. I mean, there's this indicator as well that I contemplated using for choppy days. Maybe we should, let's check this out. So there's a choppy day. There's sell here. So if I had sold after this, I mean, it would have worked out if I did a 1-to-1. Is it Zipo? What's up? Hey, Mr. Umi, how you doing? Have you tried funding challenges yet or no? Oh, so I'm on a funded. Sorry, so I've passed an eval. I'm on a funded account. This is a funded account, but I haven't gotten a payout yet. Most indicators work better in the 5 minutes. I mean, it does low-key make sense. This community buys enough at once. We can push the price up and rug pull everyone else. Jackie? This sounds like some very weird roundabout insider trading that we are trying to pull off. This sounds like a scheme. But I'm not saying no, Shaki. Real-time work lagging indicator. Priya, you're asking for this indicator? The dip was a good buy, yeah. Hey David, what's up? How we doing? Can only be David that's screaming. Make a user guide for TMP. Also, I might release it for community. Debbie, that's completely up to you. This is actually Debbie's indicator. So, like I said, it's completely up to Debbie. These? Oh, it's an indicator. The volume. So do you see it? It did kind of spike into this little bit of a low volume node, and now it is going back up. Interesting. Watch it going up, and then it's going lower than the previous low. So it is trending, it's just kind of spiking. Oh my gosh, can I just say that ES is literally going sideways right now? As I said that, it spiked up. My bad. 80 indicators don't work. I mean, I don't really use it. Well, apart from the bob levels, I don't actually really use indicators. This is me just forward testing this. I feel like for some people, indicators work like a dream. Again, if you know how to execute and use it, go for it. Sorry, hiccups. Why not? Or use it as like a confluence if you were maybe thinking, oh, I want to sell here, and it goes, and you get the confirmation. Oh, thank you, lady. I'll go and check. You passed both phases on your challenge. Forex, well, I haven't passed the funded, no. Oh, thank you, DJ Rex. I appreciate that. Being told to check. Okay, I'll have to respond to you later. Liquidity sweeps order blocks in 1 week. Nice, DJ Rex. And do you trade? Do you paper trade? What's your thing? Oh dear. Like it's going down. Turn this off for now. Forex for life, how much am I risking per trade? Okay, so a little bit of backstory, guys. So I passed 50k eval, which obviously means 50k funded. So I am in drawdown. Not sugarcoating that. I was actually $20 away from reaching my max drawdown limit. I was literally $20 away. So I've been very slowly building it back up. So now I'm risking closer to 50. During New York, I actually risked like $75. But yeah, I'm starting to risk a little bit more. I would normally risk when I'm not in drawdown, I normally risk $200 per trade. But like I said, I literally had to like claw my way back up. One step at a time. That's literally just where we are at right now. One step, one trade at a time. Nice, love it. Oh, my girlfriend, don't let her read this. So Mikuwave, is it working? Is it up? Is it running? Are we happy? Is the trade community big in South Africa? Old Lem, I didn't think it was, but yes. Apparently, so I didn't realize how many South Africans actually traded. There's quite a few of us out there, which I think is awesome. I had no idea. Hey Eddie, what's up? Hey, I'm South African. How do I get funded? What's up, Slick Rick? You are South African. How do you get funded? Well, I mean, you can buy a straight to funded account, or you can purchase an eval account and, I mean, pass the challenge, and then you are funded. That's up to you. Slick Rick, do you know about prop firms or not really? Cool name, by the way. Also, hey, another fellow South African. How you doing? It's perfect. You want to see? Heck yes. Owe me a picture, Mikuwale. Yeah, lowering risk is hard to do, but must when learning. Increase risk when in drawdown. That's death. Yeah. So now it's. I said when I get back to 49. Yes, when I get back to 49, I'll start risking around $100 again. And then when I'm back at 50, I'll start risking the normal $200 per trade. But at least it's slowly increasing. By the way, you're Kenyan. That is awesome. I'm training for 5 years now. I've passed many funding challenges and took a good amount of payouts from them. Hey, Forex for Life, that's awesome. Well done. No, don't. I was doing self-funded trades. Where should I go? Oh, good grief, Slick Rick. That's a little bit terrifying. Oh, it depends. How long have you been trading for? Are you making money or me? Prop firms, I know, I'm very aware. Okay, I'm very aware that some people love them and some people hate them. Trust me, I'm very aware. But, okay, hear me out. But, for me, especially as a beginner, to preserve capital, prop firms make so much. I mean, even as a seasoned trader, I guess. We're gonna go with seasoned trader. Even as a seasoned trader, I feel that prop firms make a lot of sense because you are preserving your capital. If you play the game correctly, you make money. If you're doing bad, if you're having a bad month, you aren't losing money. So, you know, that's just how I see it. I'm very well aware that a lot of you will not agree with that, and that's fine. You know, not everyone views things the same way, and again, that's fine. We're all allowed to our own opinions. That's just me personally, how I feel about it. But doing self-funded, where should I go to make an account? I mean, Slick Rick, if you want, especially now, you're in luck. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna quickly hop over here. You're in luck. Tradify 3.0 is out, where you don't have to pay a monthly subscription situation. It's a once-off payment, which helps a lot. And you can get up to 5 of these accounts. And it's 40% off until the 30th of April. So like I said, you're in time to go and check that out. Tradify is really good, and they're allowed in South Africa. Unfortunately, some props are not allowed in South Africa, so we do what we can. So yeah, Tradify is allowed, and they're having this Tradify 3.0. They're basically competing with Lucid, so it's a once-off payment. It's not a monthly. So a lot of the others, sorry, I'll go back there. A lot of the others are monthly subscriptions. You can either get a 25k account. Normally your only option was a 50k account, but yeah, if you want to check it out, there is also a link in the description. You're South African, so all the links in the description below are SA friendly ones, and you can just see which one works best for you. Hey Juicing, what's up? How you doing? Got a bob level down. I found a new recruit. She's a beginner that's paying for mentorship. Oh no. Oh well, with who? I don't know. Maybe it's a good mentor. It doesn't really make sense to trade live unless you got a $1,000 unused income. Basically, I can give you one solid advice. If you want to pass your funding, you need to risk 2% per trade. That is the key to pass the challenge. If you made it 1 to 2R, you'll make 4%. We'll take 10 accounts. There we go. Right, Eddie? I don't think you're allowed 10 accounts though, unfortunately. Pity. But if you get 5 straight away... Oh, that's what I forgot to mention, sorry. Because I found this out yesterday and I was like, whoa! If you do get 5 of the accounts with Tradeify, you get an extra 5% discount. So you actually get a 45% discount, which is pretty cool. Nearly half off, right? Anyway, sorry. I'll be quiet. Balance seems to be up 2k over the past week or two. Hey, Miss Doctor. Well, definitely not 2k, but few $100 we're getting there slowly. Green is green. Yeah. You know what? You're an illusion. You're doing things. Many things work. Coming in? You're doing things in a wrong way and you don't know many things work on it. You're gonna have to elaborate a little bit. Thank you. But unicorn. Oh, yes, that's right. Sorry, lady. Wakano. Yeah, that is correct. 100%. I did get the email. I did get it, by the way. I just said I'll respond to it later. You can have 10 account, but you would just have to buy a different balance size account. I think you can buy 4 150k and then more 100k's, I think. Oh, interesting. Okay, there we go. Thanks, Big Wave. See, the more you know. With prop firms, the payout is life-changing compared to your small investment. Rough. What's the type of food South Africa is known for? I guess braais are the main thing, or baboti? Baboti is quite nice, but I would have to say braais are probably the main thing. Forex Live, how can I connect with you? Oh, so anyone that's new, what's up? Hi, by the way. How you doing? There is a few ways. There is also a Discord. I don't know if you guys have Discord. Let me check, Ollie. I see you've sent it. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. So I just saw Ollie's new PC. Damn. Damn. For those of you that want that big prop, I just saw it. It's really, really cool. There is Discord. If you guys don't have Discord, feel free to pop me an email. Coming. Oh, wait a second. Theoretically, this is A+. Shoot. I wanted to see it take out that on ES, which it just did. Oh, damn. I missed it. I noticed it a little bit too late. This was this trade. It was an A+ setup. Let's see, maybe it continues going back up, but that was a really good rejection. That was a real solid rejection. Shoot. Let's see if it would have worked. The only reason I didn't take this, sweet and simply, you know, the don't diddle in the middle situation, this low-key feels like diddling in the middle. Looks like it would have worked out though. Shoot, I saw it too late. Oh, these wicks are also a little bit terrifying. Oh, hi life, what's up? That's awesome. Oh, cute. Got a projector and a ceiling as well, but you can see it in the photo. Hi life, sounds like you had a pretty sweet deal there, damn. Thanks, Sparks for Life. Just anyone that does join, please just be aware. Hear me out. Be aware that they are scammers. Just be careful. I see you. I got you. You have the correct one. So, Sparks, if someone else messages you or sends you a friend request, you know it's not me. Okay, let's keep watching here. So, like I said, unfortunately, this actually was an A+ setup. I missed it. So on ES, this looks like you might want to push back up a little bit higher. No, as I said, that starts dropping down. Never mind, ignore me. Is this a good setup that you could? I'm too late to take it. The entry would have been here. That would have been the entry. That spike there would have been my entry for the short. I missed it. Oh well. It is what it is. I missed it, but this would have been my trade. Like I said, it was A+. The reason I did hesitate is because, you know, the don't diddle in the middle. Do not diddle in the middle, guys. I've learned my lesson plenty of times to not diddle in the middle. Although this looks like it might end up working out. I am very well aware of when my strategy does and doesn't work, and normally when it's doing this wiki wild stuff, it's not great for my strategy, so then it's not worth taking the risk. But let's see. Oopsies. Let's see, maybe it does end up working out and then I know. And oops, you know, it happens, it's fine. Better not to take the trade than being in the wrong side of the trading. 1 to 2 are. This looks choppy. No, but that's exactly why, folks. My strategy does not work with chop. I know some people have strategies. Here we go. I know some people have strategies that do work with chop. Seriously, well done to you. Good for you. Good grief. Mine does not. Mine is a little bit more of a momentum trending strategy. To be honest, I think I've gone off trading London because where I'm trying to trade volume and chart data now, I'm noticing in London there ain't a lot of volume. Yeah, Mikuwaga, yeah, like I said, here we go. See, when it's choppy like this, it's unpredictable. It's going down, but it could come and like wick you out before it continues down. You could have the correct idea and it just comes and screws you before it continues back down, which is rude. Here we go. So like I said, this would have, what time is it? See how it reacts here? Yep, that would have been a loss. Okay, at least I listen to myself sometimes. But it was an A+ setup. I'm putting it out there, it was an A+ setup. But I did also have a valid reason for not taking it, so it's fine. Okay, it would have been nice to see you trade line my first time in your channel. Aw, sorry, old Lim. Yeah, if there's one thing that I think I've mastered, I think, is the... How do I put this? I have mastered sitting and waiting. It's very irritating. Nah, man, this is some seek and destroy BS going on right now. Literally, it's taking out external, taking out internal, taking out external, taking out internal. Oh, okay, and now we're running away. That's nice. that's nice. Don't run away from your problems. You can't do that. Trade with volume, that's when you make good money. I think you should 50-minute time from it shows a better view of the market. For London to check out the Asia high. You think it's gonna climb all the way back up there now? Oh, this is trending up. Sorry, do you know what I forgot to do? This might be interesting. If we can just... Thank you. Okay. It actually retraced into the 50% of this full range. That's what's happened here. So it's rejected off the 50% of this full range. So win would have been at 27. Oh, for crying out loud. Sorry, that's also why I didn't realize where the price was. It's at a whole number. 27,000. It's at a whole number. It tends to kind of mess around there. It's what it literally did yesterday during New York. You can see it here. It messed around. It's stuck in this little range area. Damn. Heck no. This is some hands-off stuff right now. I need it to break above slightly more, but it's, you can see it's basically stuck in the same range zone as yesterday, middle of the day New York. Okay. No wonder I didn't even clock that it was there at the whole number. Okay, I'm gonna need it to break solidly above or below for confirmations. Sorry guys, we might have to be extra patient today. Then just for fun, what now? Where am I learning from? Forex for Life? I actually learned basics from my friend that introduced me to trading. I learned the basics from them. The rest of the stuff I've actually learned from this amazing community. American expression is sitting on your hands. No, that's exactly it. There goes a yes. Yes, but no, it still hasn't. The body has not closed above the wick yet. It's a psychological level. There we go. We're now 15, 5 minutes, 20 minutes. All converging here. Footprint chart says that we're going sideways for now, at least on ES. Yeah. Hey, big man, what's up? Free trades futures. I'm not even surprised. And like I said, my strategy, unfortunately for me, does not work in a sideways market. Learned that lesson so many times. I'm pulling a face because mother fluffer. Damn it. Oh man. This one would have been a win. Okay, so bulls are back in play. So this range here, this full range, definitely would have been at least break even now. So this would have been a winner chicken dinner. Okay. So this A+ strat here, was it A+? Let's have a quickly confirm or deny. Like I said, I'm not upset for not taking it. I'm very much still hands off until this thing decides where and why and how. 1, 2, yeah, this was an A+. This was an A+ setup. Cool. You know, that being said, so was this one. That one just didn't work out. This one is A+. This one did definitely work out. But I do need it to break a little bit more solidly to the buy side for me to be like, okay, I'm now comfortable taking trades. 309 short contracts just came in. Oh my gosh. So, Mikuwawe, we might just be going straight back into the range. Do you have a website for trading? No. Sorry. No website. Oh, sorry. I'm looking at something here. There's a video of my horse that someone sent me. He jumps around. Maybe still no stop walking for now. He still enjoys that. Cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'll have to send you guys some of the... My horse has way too much energy. He's gonna kill me when I ride him again. Hey Asugan, what's up? How are we doing? How are we doing? $3.51. Okay, so there's 9 minutes. We have 9 minutes to go. We have 9 minutes to go. Let's do this. Sorry, 9 minutes to go until 4 a.m. 4 a.m. tends to be quite a decent sized candle. Tends to. Let's just elaborate that a little bit. Not always, obviously, but yeah. Wait, Mikowabe, have you started trading then again or not yet? OMG, so sideways. I know. Go hard? I know. Am I in the trade? Hey, Yo Toastrin, what's up? I'm gonna put limit order to 50% range. Hey, Kika. So I have not, because of the fact that this is sideways. I have learned my lesson when it comes to the chop, that it's not worth it. This one would have worked out. Pity. This was an A+ one here. But that being said, this one to the sell side was A+ as well, would have tagged me in and then come and been a loss. So this one I can tell you already would have been a loss. When it's sideways like that, my strategy, unfortunately for me, does not... Yep, there we go. Would have gone straight in, instantly hit my stop loss, and now it might go back up. Let's see. So when it's sideways like this, I'm rather cautious, because this could come and be bad. Price is pushing out of demand zone on a higher time frame. Oh, thank you, old them. Hey, Bradley, I know. Thank heavens. Guys, also, I do not know what I'm going to do when it's winter. Do you know I went for a little run this morning. I had 3 layers on. For those of you that were watching yesterday, you saw that big jacket? I was wearing that big jacket, and I went for a run. It was a walk run. But still, I still ran with the big jacket on, and I was still cold. I am going to be so screwed in the middle of winter. That's going down surely. It's taking extra liquidity. Ooh, multi-mirror, that's interesting. I don't know, right now it just... Trend is friend until it's not. That I'm repeating that in my head, because I look at the daily chart and I just go, look at all these, look at all this imbalance. It is so out of balance, surely. But I just literally keep telling myself trend is friend until it's not. Sitting on a keyfib label on the daily, just short Bitcoin and you'll be rich next week. Hey, kiss me, is it going down again? I know it went back up, but is it now again going back down? That's not good, is it? Meaning your stop loss should be on the previous low, now on the 70% of fib. No. Keycap, specifically when it comes to... I mean, the full range would have worked out beautifully. So, this full range here, checky, checky, checky. have just missed full TP. But the full range would have literally tagged in. Now it's going back up, so that's quite nice. But for me, the rule is if it's already taken out the 50% of the previous range, you move to the next range. That's just my rule. So let me zoom back. Well, let me delete this and then let me zoom back in. So then the previous smaller range, obviously I know it's 1 minute, but the smaller range, bottom to the top, you can see it retested the 50%, which means you do move to the next range, which is obviously here. This is now the next range. So this would have come, and if I draw it like a normal human being, there we go, would have come, stop me out, and now let's see what it does. But this is why I do not diddle in the middle. Also, this would not have been an A+ setup. Sorry, this is actually a B setup. Yeah, so that one's actually not an A+ setup, that's a B setup as well. So I definitely wouldn't have taken that trade. We're only approaching May, still have June, July, August. Got a feeling winter going to hit us with a bang this year. See, Bradley, was that necessary? That low-key hurt my feelings, and I feel like that was really unnecessary to say to me right now, because I'm scared. Like I said, it's a tiny bit cold. Do you know, yesterday I wore 4 layers to walk to the shops. 4. I had a shirt, I had a little jersey, I put a second jersey on, and I put a jacket on. I am so screwed in winter. You guys are just gonna think I'm a marshmallow because I'm gonna be wearing layers that I look like this big. You guys are gonna think I just like gained all the weight. Hey Curix, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome back. How you doing? Take a garlic tea. What's it? What? Garlic tea? What does garlic tea do? During winter, I usually go for a run at 10 AM. Why, babe? Look, extra liquidity. Yep, it's winter there. It's going on to winter here. It's, I guess you could say it's autumn, rather. Right? It's autumn. When is it officially winter? I know obviously June, July is winter. I'm assuming May. I don't actually know when autumn is. We all know spring is September here in South Africa. I feel like we kind of neglect autumn a little bit. I feel bad about that. Oh well. How am I doing today? Yeah, Curix, I'm good. I can't complain. I mean, the chart's a little bit sideways, so I've just been hands off. But it is what it is. And what am I trading on? Like, okay, let me go through all of them. I'm using TradingView via Tradeovate on a 50k funded account. Yes, I hope that answered one of the questions. Your cheerleader's back. Oh, I forgot. Curix is always on a mission to get them likes up. Guys, I need Curix as like a live cheerleader when, I don't know, to cheer the market on maybe. I don't know, maybe that'll help. Curix, do you just get like A+ setups and winners when you sit there and you're like, go market, go, bulls, 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 or whatever the case may be. Maybe you're in a sell, then like sell, sell, sell. Oh, it's approaching. Yep. If it's any consolidation, summertime in UK is probably same or winter time. Yeah, which is ridiculous. When's the best time to visit? Ooh, that's a bit of a tricky question. Because I mean, oh, that's a bit of a tricky question. I'm not gonna lie. Because in South Africa, I would say summers, but if you're used to the cold, summers might be like too hot, and then obviously there's bugs and then it's like peak tourist time. Maybe winter. I have no idea. Other South Africans, when would be the best time to visit South Africa in your opinion? Let's get it to at least 29. We're about to get a setup soon. Let's get 29. So this community knows how to support my in autumn. We're leaving. It's spring here, but it was snowing 2 days ago. And sunny the next in the set. That's wild. Just boil garlic with plain water. It works. What? What? It just helps you heat up? How do you stream horizontal and vertical at the same time? I am skilled. But only in very particular places, right, Bradley? December. Oh, there we go. During festive season, December. Okay, Micro says September. Insight Market Trading says December is the best time. And do I trade both futures and options? Sorry, no, I just trade futures. Yeah, always. I'm one of those crazy ADHD traders. I'm a market maker and I want to turn this community into market makers. Let's get my, that's, aww. I love it. Curix, I can just picture it. You must be just a bundle of energy. Oh my gosh, how do your friends keep up with you? Like, in the nicest way possible. You know, I'm not trying to be rude. I'm sorry if that came across as rude, but genuinely, wow. Curix, are you part of the Discord? I don't know if you are. There is a Discord now, Curix. I don't know if you're here when there was a Discord or not, but there is a Discord if you want to join. How does it work when you lose money on a funded account? Is it risky? Not a day trader, so sorry if it's been asked last year. No, not at all. So this is why personally, please don't come and attack me. It's just in my opinion, prop firms. So I'm using prop firm, hence the funded account. Prop firms then just help you, well, keep your capital, I guess. So you pay for your eval, or you can just pay for a straight to funded account. They're obviously just a little bit more expensive. And then that's that. You have a max drawdown, but you don't lose any of your own money until you reach there. And then once you've reached it, you'll just have to reset it. So with this account, I hope that makes sense. I don't think I'm explaining this really well, sorry. So let's maybe start with this. I have a 50K account, right? It means that I do have to make $3,000 in order to start taking a payout. Depends on which prop you're with, but around $3,000 to start taking payouts. But I can lose up to $2,000. None of those, you know, I don't lose anything, but I can lose up to $2,000. It's not money out of my bank, you know. And then if you do lose, if you hit your max drawdown limit, which is around the $2,000, then you can reset it and you start at 50 again and you can try again. You have to just earn up to 3,000, or if you lose, so you know, you're only losing the money you're spending to get the prop account. That's it. But no, it doesn't come out of your pocket. I hope that makes sense. Sorry, I feel like I did describe that a little bit like an idiot, but I hope that helps. December, everyone is outside. True. We just need 12 more likes. Come on, you can do it. 12 likes is not much. Cape Town, December. High Felt and KZN, June, July. Ooh, Coach Carter, that's actually valid. Okay. How you manage to stream horizontal? This is a short to midterm sell. Buys above 26883, looking good. Are you saying just a buy limit above there? Right? Is that what you're saying? RX for life? Look at how it's bouncing off the level. I'll make money. It's like the stream. It's free. I was wondering if you... Hey, Virgil, what's up? Hey, Goku, how you doing? Well, I'm not... Sorry, swing trade or scalping? Scalping. I'm not profitable yet, but I'm picking myself up out of drawdown. So for those of you that do not know, as you can see, my balance is 48,884. You can check it there. Cool. My max drawdown was 48,324, if I'm not mistaken. I went down. Oh my gosh, maybe I was actually $15 away. I was down at 48,345, I think. Yeah, I was basically $15 to $20 away from blowing this funded account. So I've literally just been picking myself up oh so slowly right now. Profile picture on Discord. D4J, that's probably not me, sorry. Sorry, guys. I've worked combined with 100%. Even more garlic works too. Ooh, nice, Sammy. Okay. 34 people on the stream, only 8 likes. Come on, show my some love. Aw. That's crazy, thanks. Stressful trading. Were you short-term, guys? Especially with the orange pen in control of the market. Now, this is a short. If you come on just like it once, that's all. Let's go. We love this community. That's where we show up. Isn't the NAS 100 connected with Dow? It is. Virgil. Connected. I don't think they're as close as ES though, so I do have ES open on the side here. But they are connected. Or they are similar. Okay. So, Multimiro, it was you that said potentially just a liquidity sweep and then a drop. I'm the one that said that this is just doing seek and destroy BS, which it low-key is. Let's see what it does here. This is why I know, I'm sorry guys, I know it's probably a little bit boring, but I'm a little bit hands-off until it decides to get out of this range. I am not surprised that we are going sideways either. Just saying. Nice. So, Melty, are you in the short then? Did you take it? Who has taken a trade, by the way? Also, anyone that's just hopped on. Sorry, I haven't been using these today, my bad. Anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
New hourly candle coming down to go up. Oh no, I didn't even clock. Wait, we're at the 4. Ugh. Okay. This right here was the damn... Okay. I'm already out. Nice. Got the top closed now with 4 contract. Oh, in that case, you do indeed deserve a whoop whoop. Well done, Melty. That was awesome. That's gonna irritate me. Well done. Winning! Only 10 likes away and you can do it. Only 10 more loyal community members. We're waiting on you. If I may ask, when do you buy? When the price is low, or are you waiting for candle structure? Kika, no, so I wait for a very specific setup. Sorry, I know it probably irritates a lot of people, but I wait for a very specific setup. So, like I said, theoretically, these two right next to each other were A+ setups, but this one would have been a loss, this one would have been a win. But I need very specific setups, and like I said, unfortunately for me, my strategy does not work in the chop zone. I will call it the chop zone, I feel like that's accurate. Which is where it is right now, because it's where it kind of is grabbing things, it's doing weird things. It is 4 though, so maybe we start to get something good here. Why is the third blue line crooked? Oh, that's the VWAP. Velocity. Circle that goes up, that makes a lower look. And for those who actually took 10 seconds like this, I really appreciate it. Let's run it up, we can do it. Do you use ICT kind of strategy? No, I use some ICT confluences. I have a little bit of a hybrid strategy, if you will. Guess you can, so I have a bit of a hybrid of market auction theory, ICT, and SMC kind of smushed together. That's my strategy. Watch the market react and give my other setup she needs once we get to 20 likes. Let's see, I mean... I would say low-key this is not bad. It's not great though. I could be overthinking this one a little bit too much. How much will I risk with this one? I don't love this rejection off of here. Just for one contract, $28. I mean, it's not terrible. Let's see, I'm gonna watch ES as well quickly. Nah, okay, it's going down. Too late. Well, not too late, just didn't retrace high enough up. Just buy, watch, we're gonna win, so you're in a long. Watching that was quite a rejection of the 50% of that wick. It's in such a yucky spot right now. Really is in such a yucky spot. Came through 9 contracts. Were a nice little call, wasn't it? Mikwari, yes and no, it did go up first before. No, did it? No, you are correct. Have they been tagged in or not yet? Make a box of your confluences. Triggering your executions. What exactly do you mean? Like what confluences I look for? Coach Carter? Virgil, don't touch it. Oh, goodness. I'm taking it off a little over your 50%. Let's see. Like I said, this one's an A+. It might be a little bit more risky, but... yeah. Okay, I'm still hands off. We're entered in at 3:51 a.m. candle. Oh, damn. Okay. You don't know where they position though, do you? Not sure we at the moment. We can't. Virgil, that's the thing. I'm not sure either. But this one is A+. It did tap lower. My point of interest would be further below. So... and it is A+. But the buy pressure is here now. Rejection off of there. Shoot, tapped into that volume imbalance on ES. Huh. Okay. Nice active price of entry is around 27008. Ah. Push price up a whole week and then drops it at Friday. I forgot about that. Yeah, Friday was the dump day, wasn't it? It could be a long if the next candle is bigger than the previous candle. If it finds the bottom first. Damn. It's dropping now on ES. But if it rejects off of there, it means we are going up further. And ES is driving today. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh, look, I'm starting to overthink it. Pressing $28. How are you gonna pass this in? Bro, okay, clearly you didn't listen. Oh, sorry, I called you bro. Sorry, that was a sassy South African that came out there. You clearly didn't listen to me earlier. Or I don't know if you heard me earlier. With the drawdown, I've been very selective, especially London session, because London has not been my friend recently. London session, put one contract, it's fine. Yesterday during New York, I risked 75%, and I said I'll only start risking 100% when I'm back. 100%. Oh! Not percent, dollars, sorry. I'll only start risking $100 when I'm back up to 49, so that I have more of a cushion. And then when I'm back up to 50, I'll start risking my normal $200. Now what's the patience time? Am I in that trade? It hasn't tagged me, no. Hey Obito, what's up? How you doing? When you compare to New York, sometime basically highlights pretty much pinpoint price and tells you how many contracts coming. Oh, that's cool though. Buy this retesting. Obito, me and you both, but it's an A+ setup. It doesn't look great on ES. I'm not even gonna deny that, but it is still an A+. Yeah, it takes me out. It takes me out. The only goal that I have been having recently is it A+? Cool. Did you take it? Cool. Sorry, my bad. Apologies about that. Sorry for calling you bro. Now I'm in. Let's see what happens. You started using footprint chart. I think, Mikurave, correct me if I'm wrong, you have been? Oh, you started to, right? This 50k account. I didn't buy the account, I passed my eval. When did I pass? I passed the eval? Beginning of March, if I'm not mistaken. And March was the worst month trading for me. I think I can actually very easily say that March was one of the worst months trading for me. It was not okay, but oh well. Plus the that was funny. Oopsies. Oh, let's see, multi-mirror. Let's see. You know me, I now just don't look, I wait for a beep. It's either hit or a miss. Like the stream, you only do it once, by the way. The mission is, yeah, just like the stream and enjoy the stream. That's supporting not even Maya and what she does. No, you're so sweet. How do you take the evaluation at default? Oh, so you purchase the evaluation. I mean, Tradeify now. So normally it would be a month-to-month, like subscription-based situation. Tradeify now obviously has a special where it's a once-off payment, which is obviously really cool. Oh no, it's going. I saw it in the... I saw there. Asu tagged in, good luck. Yep. This is scalping trading. Yes, it is. Omega. Let's see. Asu, your stop loss is my entry. Damn! Oh well. I'm in profits. This is retesting. like I said, if it's a loss, it's a loss. I just took it because it was my A+ setup, and then I go hands off. I didn't do the full range because the full range had been tagged into already. Nikawabe. Them's the rules. If the full range has already been tagged into, then I move to the next range down. You like more people get building. And the bigger the community becomes, so let's help Maya build by liking the stream. Oh, Curix, you're so sweet. Does that make sense, Mikuabe? Can I get... Oh, my bad. Sorry, Velocity. Yep. You can get your whoop whoop. Or your banger of a trade. Actually, there's a few people that got bangers, hey. I feel like you all deserve whoop whoops. Well done, guys. Anyone that is in the green for the day, let's do this. Velocity on the snipe from the lows. Really, really good. Let's go, guys. 7 more likes. Oh, Curix is on a mission to get them likes up. That's my strategy I learned for years. How long have you been trading for, Omega? And Velocity. Wait. Do you want to show you a couple things that could help you get nice sequences, more clarity? I'm trying to make sure. Let's see how this goes. My favorite idea, but never liked how much footprints take over. I have to zoom right to see values, so I've made my own footprint indicator. Mine literally shows institutional orders too. Let's move this candle. Coach Carter, please check my chart on Discord. I'll go have a look now. So you've been trading for 5 years. Quick question as well. You're basically trading 50% pullback to fair value gap. How come you don't see the fair value gap inside the 50% zone and put your entry at the start of the fair value gap and keep your stop? Mikawabe? Wait, okay, wait. I'll have to read that slowly. I think I understand what you're asking, but let me read it slowly. 8 years. Damn, Omega, 8 years. That is awesome. Can you trade on your phone with Tradeify? I think you can. I don't think they care where... I'll have to double check that for you. D4J? I think you can. I don't obviously want to lie to you. Lying is bad. It will hit your TP if it crosses 851. Let's see. If it reaches 1 to 1R, I will most likely, yeah, I'll most likely go break even. Let's see though. If it does. When we touch zone, I protect position. Position. You're saying let it run. Oh, I see it's back up to entry. Hey, CP30. Doesn't C3PO. Anyways, I think mine's pretty good for that. I just found if you slightly change the text below, it comes a bit more data in and make it bigger so you can see better. I struggle to see it at first as well. And again, to those who took 10 seconds from their busy days to like the stream. Oh, Curix, you're so sweet. Oh dear. Okay, let's see. I am a little bit in a bit of a choppy zone, am I not? Oh well. Where's the other chat? Data. I don't know. That's how I voiced it. Is that wrong? Data. Data. Is it supposed to be data? Data. I've just always said data. That's not things we can do. Have I gotten payouts? No, I have not gotten payouts. Yeah, it's my first ever funded account. Yeah, going to sleep for New York. Oh, okay, Velocity. Enjoy. Have a good rest. Silly South. Listen here, microwave. Don't be rude. My setup is. Oh, thanks, Omega. Well, let's see. Right, I am hands off. Like I said, if it takes me out, it takes me out. Do I watch cricket? I do not watch cricket. Sorry. Just taste my theory. Let's see how I manipulate the markets. Oh, you're a manipulator. No, I'm kidding. I'm sorry. I thought it was funny. That's not funny. That's rude. Rex, you're so funny. Oh gosh. Anyways. Oh, I see it is headed towards stop loss. Nah, that's fine. It is what it is. Like I said, my whole thing recently has literally just been, you have your A+ setup. Awesome. Move on. Take it regardless. It's A+, cool. I do not have an OnlyFans. Good grief. Anyways. Where are you at? Weird people. Yeah, manipulate the markets by giving the stream likes. Come on, guys, turn it. Hurry. Don't be the reason for my hitting stop loss. Wow. Rough. Now we're shaming people, Curex. They clean stop loss and down. Well, that's not very nice. Okay, there we go. Aw, pity. Oh well. That's why recently, maybe this sounds bad, but recently I have been risking less during London in particular. Me and London have not been very good friends recently, just saying. But New York, I tend to go for it. But I feel like my point is that I just must always take my A+ setups. Okay, so a little bit down. What was it, like $30? Yeah. 853. Tagged and sell at your stop loss. Let's see. Your notion is right. Oh, thank you, Multimirror. Yeah, well, it's fine. It happens. Let's see if it literally did just wick me out. Which would have been rude. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I stuck to my rules. Sorry, can you tell I'm now just telling myself, oh wait, I have to play this. It's the stop loss sound for anyone that's new. Oh, cool. Yeah, I stuck with my rules. Can't be upset about that, mother fluffer. This is fun. For a second, I deleted the balance. Shit! $28 left! Oh gosh! Hey guys, what do you think about funded next prop? Is it legit? I haven't heard anything bad about funded next. Well, specifically CFD. For the CFDs. I don't know, lots that have used it for futures. Are you asking for futures? Bojimoy? The Bojimoy? It will buy again. Sorry. Makes it A+ setup. I want to see how you train. I like to learn from others. So velocity. I know for a fact this is where a lot of people are going to probably be a little bit judgy. It's fine, it is what it is. Mine is actually super stupid basic. I know some people like that, some people hate it. It is what it is. So mine is stupid basic in the sense of I need 3 or more confluences, and the confluences can be fair value gaps, VWAP, shelves, I call them shelves, I guess it's more like a pivot point, rather, and order blocks. I mean, there can be a few, yeah, there's a few more if I can go into a bit more detail when it comes to like the bob levels and things, but I won't bore you too much with that. But, so for this one, so I can show you the 3 here that were A+. Right. So this one here would have been a loss. It was A+ because I had a little bit of an order block. I mean, it is very small. And I am aware that the 1 minute you don't have as much information. I am aware. Shoot. Damn it. Oh, sorry. Thinking of that, I went, oh, I forgot to check the 5 minute. Pity. Oh well. 5 minute, yes. Mikuabe. 5 minute, the full range would have been the way to go. Fine, it's fine. Okay. Oh well. Moving on. Moving on. So this one here, A+, because I had VWAP just below. I did have a, well, basically a little bit of an inverse fair value gap as well, and a bit of an order block. As you can see, it just went straight up. Same for vice versa. This one here was an A+. Again, in the range though, so I didn't take it. But I had my little bit of shelf, VWAP, and a fair value gap. This one would have worked out. You could see it would actually have just tagged into this fair value gap and then shot back up, which would have been awesome. And now this one, mother fluffer. Oh well. It's now working out beautifully. It's okay. You just need to adjust your VWAP to 6 periods of 30 minutes. That feels like a lot. GoFund is pretty good as well. Took more than 10 payouts from them. Forex for life, that's interesting. Not this type of short time. No, Dom, how did I forget to listen to you? I took a short. So, I don't understand. Whatever. What are your financials the last 2 to 3 months? Nice to not hear a generator running in a South African stream. That was...
emotional damage.
That was rough. I cried the day I blew my account. Yeah, I can imagine it's not fun. 110 contracts just came in short, mother fluffer. Okay. Correct idea. Let's see if I had used the full range. Cool. Oh well. Oh well. Moving on. This is more irritating than a solid loss and it just continues back up. So I feel like there's a bit of a debate that we can have now. What is worse? Your entry being missed by a tick? Your stop loss being hit by a tick and then it proceeding to hit your TP? Or, sorry, the third one was your TP being missed by a tick and then it reversing. Which one do you think is worse? Out of curiosity, I was having this discussion with someone yesterday. I'll pop this on. The worst is the one where you lost money. For me, it's the trade almost hitting my TP and going back to stop loss. Not for me because What would Bruce Lee say? I have no idea. Your take profit rough. Price rejection of early support. Okay, wait. So I have a rule. Well, I mean, kind of a rule. We'll call it a rule. So now that that's all happened, Sorry, got distracted. Now that that's all happened, for those of you that are new, I know a lot of you do not care about this, but it is now just a thing that I do. We have to do butterfly of the day. So on this channel, I do butterfly of the day every single day. And let's see what our butterfly of the day is going to be today. So here's my butterfly book. Let's randomly go whee here. No, not the blues. Sorry, there's 106 different butterflies that are the blue species. Okay, they're called blues. There's 106 of them. Yeah. Ooh, here's a cool one. His name is the autumn leaf vagrant or orange and lemon butterfly. Let me do the orange and lemon butterfly because that's adorable. Are you ready? Orange and lemon butterfly. Oh, he's cool. This is a cool butterfly. Look at him. This is a cool photo. Open this one, please. Thank you. There we go. Okay. This is the orange and lemon butterfly, or the autumn leaf vagrant. Anyway, so the wingspan is 50 to 56 millimeters. Sorry, I'm just reading here if there's anything interesting about how they fly. Not really. Yep. So, oh, they are shy and elusive. There we go. So you get that. They are shy and elusive little butterflies. My hair is going to drive me crazy. Anyways, so distribution is wooded savanna and lowland forest from Eastern Cape along the coast and inland to Swaziland, through thorn belts in KwaZulu-Natal and dry savanna forests along base of the escarpment and edges of riverine bush in Mpumalanga and Limpopo province. So the habitat is forest edges, flatlands, coast, and hillsides, so everywhere. And the flight period is year-round, depending on rainfall, peaks late summer and autumn. Ooh, so now is the time. Oh, I forgot to. Damn, I forgot to read his Latin name. I forgot to read his Latin name, my bad. But this is him. How cool. This is our butterfly of the day. Now back to the charts. Yeah. May stop loss hit by tick. What? That's my fault. Trade me. Real traders support real value. Tap the like. Hey, Go Hunt Your Dreams. How you doing? Oh, sorry. Let me go back to the full chart. You guys are just staring at my face. My bad. Didn't lose account. No, Go Hunt Your Dream. The account's picking up. Slowly but surely. Better than yesterday's butterfly. What do you think about volume profile? Volume profile I think is quite good. Especially if you know how to use it. I tried to use it a bit, but I am very much an overthinker. And it screwed me a little bit, mother fluffer. Okay, so ticked me out and then went for a win. That's fun. That's fine. It's fine. So it would have been a win. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Oh well. On to the next trade. I don't. Was that another stop being hit? No. Oh, shit. Whoop whoop for anyone that took that short. Right? Basu, sorry. Well done. Your entry was my stop loss. Feel like you jinxed me with that one, but it's fine. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Which futures do you normally trade with? You're asking the asset, like which futures? So I trade the Nasdaq futures, the micros. Strategy to understand the market, just practice that only 200 times from just. Am I helping you right now? Drop her like real quick. This would have been my TP. Oh, Obito, me and you both. We're both just sitting here going, nah. Nah. Damn it. Oh well. We move on. Slowly but surely. That wasn't bad. That one didn't retrace. Now we go back down. Oh, mother fluffer. I cannot believe that. Out by a tick. To be fair, at least this one was a tick. I have a flipping screenshot of my stop loss being hit by, I don't even want to say a tick, by the spread. It hit my stop loss by a spread and then it went up to hit TP. I think that's almost worse. My TP was above your stop loss and now it's going against me again. No! Trade addict, I'm so sorry! It's okay, now we're both sad. We can be sad together. Bop, 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 bop. Let me check here. No to there, no to there. Okie dokie. Let's see where we now head. Yeah, let's see where we now head. Do I trade gold? I do not, sorry. Morning, Raphael Brown. Oh, sorry, I didn't see your hi. How are you doing? Sorry guys, I'll be right back. Let me just quickly go and check on Perry. Perry's not sitting here, which is weird. I think he's lying on the bed because he's cold. Me and him are both babies when it comes to the cold. I'll be right back. Let me also clear my head. Give me 2 seconds. Bye. I'm back. I see now we're just going down. Correct idea. Just the wrong spot. Just the wrong spot for that stop loss. Oh well. Okay, I'm back. One more to 28. Let's finish one. Nothing we do contract. Whoopsie, my bad. Sorry. Bias here. Let's see if it gets a triple A. Probably in this. Ooh, okay. I'm here. I'm here. Harry's good. He was literally chilling on the bed. I think either way it would have hit it, so it's fine. So I was just thinking about something. I was like, oh, I moved my stop. Fine. It is fine. Let's see, I'm hands off here. Oh, here's midnight. I think Asia Low is the go-to. I think Asia Low, here we go. Ooh. Oh, it is cold. It is cold. I want to do something. No. I'm trying to see something. Oh well. I'll organize that later. I'll organize that later. I'll go buy ice cream for you. Yes, ice cream! Well, except I'm cold now. Maybe not ice cream. Maybe a hot chocolate would be nice. Thanks. I would not complain about getting a hot chocolate. Barry, what is it? Make sure it's not the... I have to make sure quickly. Sure, this is selling heavy. Okay, so definitely would have hit there. Nope, nope. What a pity about that. Oh well. On to the next trade, guys. That's all we do. We move on to the next. How many of you here are trading with real money? What do you mean, like on a live account? Trade Addict? Is that what you're asking? No. No. Meh. Hey Atlanta, what's up? How are we doing? Hello. Sorry, I'm organizing my brain cells.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Sometimes takes a while. Oh well. Oh, I just missed this. I just missed it. Bad face. Oh well, moving on. It's fine. We continue. We continue. Like I said, it's probably on me for being mean to London session. I'll say me and London have not been friends recently, so it literally gave me the middle finger. Literally. It's like a little middle finger. Oh well. Not saying it's not rude. But yeah. Let's see, we still have a little bit of time now. We have a little bit more volume. We have officially now broken out of that range. So let's see, we might be able to get one more trade in during London. I think the point of interest is the Asia low, but let's see. Oh, I have hiccups.
That's what she said.
As in London, it's... You know what? That was pretty solid. That was freaking hilarious. Go hard. That was good. AB, what's up? Your first time here. Welcome. How you doing? Good morning / afternoon, depending on where you at. But hi. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing amazing. We are here having a good old time. I did have a little bit of a stop loss hit. Oh well. It is what it is. We continue on to the next trade. We got PWH. Debbie, sorry, maybe this is a dumb question. What's PWH? Previous week high, right? Did I get that right? Is it previous week high under Asia low? Okay, I see it wants to go back to balance after doing something. Hey! Nailed it. See, I'm learning. I can be a smart cookie sometimes. Sometimes. Other times I'm a dumb crumb, but it's okay. That's not a saying. I literally just came up with that. Now, I don't think it's a saying. I know a smart cookie is a saying, but I don't think a dumb crumb is a saying. All jokes aside, it's funny you say it gave me the middle finger. For that in 5 minutes you'll find some interesting shorts. Yeah, the 5 minute would have been a banger. Look at this. Ah well. Well. We continue. Sorry. Curiosity is getting the best of me. Look at that. Like the full range. This do be it. Retested the 50, well, obviously a little bit higher above the 50%, and now it looks like we're dropping back down. It's gonna go below Asia low. Interesting. I do like this strategy, just because it can work on all time frames and all range. And you know, it's like with any strategy, it's sometimes it works beautifully, other times not so much. As long as you take your A+ setups, who cares? What if your channel name would learn my... No, that's terrible English, that's why. I noticed the number changed on the balance. Yeah, Atlanta, just a little bit. Had a little loss over here. Oh well, it's fine. Hey Josh, what's up? Good morning, how we doing? Curix is on a mission to get 20 likes, so we need 3 more people to like the stream. Please, or else Curix, I think, is actually gonna have a heart attack. Has anyone heard of Gamma or GEX levels? Gamma sounds familiar for some reason, don't know why. I mean, you also recommend to see a bit higher time frame. If high time frame ranges, you can go low RR, high win rate, and do the opposite on trend. Shoulder, say that again. Sorry, like I think I understand what you're saying, but my brain malfunctioned. Right, the wave. Bro, where are you? I can't even find this person. Damn. Oh. I just took my like away. No. Oh, well, that's not very nice, is it? You can't take it back. You now told me that you liked it. Now it's out there in the open. You're not talking about gamma radiation from health, by the way. Don't. I assume not. Don't worry. Yeah, the strategy is used and based off of gamma exposure. Oh gosh, just joking. I mean, hit the like button. You guys are too freaking funny. I hope you know that. Wow. Oh no, please don't say that was it. Oh. Hope that wasn't just it. Okay. Watching from Nigeria. What the? Welcome. I'm from South Africa. How you doing? Little flow gamma exposure. I don't know. Just, oh, you guys are. Oh, wow. You guys are too much. It's the same as the. Oh gosh, what was it called? Unicorn fart dust. Being an actual cryptocurrency. What the heck? That shocked me more than anything else. Don't forget we are in a bull week, people. So Virgil, you just think this is a hectic retest? Coming to take out, I mean, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if it comes to take out this 805 level. I don't know if it's gonna drop that far. It could. Who knows? Oof. Problem is now, this is the next 50%. Back down to midnight. Not the worst trade. That just has really far to climb. One more and we hit 20. Who's the MVP? I love it. I love it. Okay, 2 minutes to go until the new hourly. Let's see what the new hourly brings. I mean, maybe it doesn't even bring amazing things. Okay. 2 minutes to go. New hourly. Let's see what happens. I just have to leave a little bit before 12. So what time would that be? A little bit before 6. Yeah. AM, just because I think there's another... Guys, I'm so sick and tired of dealing with cops now. They're very sweet, don't get me wrong. They're very, very nice people, but... it's just a pain in the butt. What times do I trade? I noticed that you're up since you left yesterday. Oh, Trade Addict. So, I mean, are you asking EST time? Let's be specific. Are you asking SA time? I know you're not from South Africa. I thought maybe you're just curious about, like, what time of the day I trade. Why? Props? No, not props, cops. Like police. Hi from... I don't remember what pairs do you trade. Hey! KDH Journey, what's up? So not trading pairs, sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. So that's coming away. Aw, cheers Samuel, enjoy mad love. Thank you for sitting and joining. I'm still salty about this, but whatever. It is what it is. We continue. You don't want to do it. Stop it. Oh, Shaggy, you're so sweet. Oh,
Nice.
that was so bad, but so good at the same time. I was like, what did I steal? And I was like, oh. Blushing. Anyways, that was really good. I have so much respect for that. That was really, really good. Okay, let's do EST time and SA time. So EST time, I am live 2:50 a.m. until around 6 a.m. Yeah. And then I go live again at around 3:15 a.m. This is EST time. 3:15 a.m. and go at around 11:30. a.m. EST time. So no PM trading for me EST time, but SA time I go live at 8:50 a.m. in the morning, and I call it at around 12ish, and then New York it is 3:15 p.m. until 5:30 p.m. Yeah. Are you in Africa? Yes. What does me being in Africa have to do with gold? Aw, Kevin! You say that I had a little loss. Shall I show you the audacity? It's my fault. I did say that London and I weren't friends, and London came to give me the middle finger. That's my bad. I keep forgetting that these markets can hear what I'm saying. And clearly I did not sweet talk. I offended. So that's on me. I offended the London market. So it gave me the middle finger. Literally whicked me out before dropping beautifully. Account is still alive and kicking. Thanks, Gambam. That's the only goal. Do not blow account. Cool. Relations are weekly and monthly expansion. Expect long ranges up. Interesting. I know, Gambam. Ah, it's fine. Right, I didn't know that. You are welcome. Don't worry. But basically, to make it easier, time zone line. Let's try that again. For time zones. London open and New York open. That's it. I'm here for those two. So far, my big win today is 1, 2, 3. Hey, Vasu, well done. And you had a banger entry. I'm salty about that, but you did. You did have a spot on entry. I know this because your entry was my stop loss. Anyways, but seriously, well done. Whoop whoop. You definitely deserve a solid whoop whoop for that. Blue and Eva and pass Neva on that crazy Globex move. Damn, Josh, that what? Why would you wait 5 years to only make 100%? Damn, Debbie. Isn't that good? See, I don't know anything about investing. Literally nothing. Ooh. I'm trying to decide if I need another jersey. Ooh, okay, so went into the Midnight Magnet. Let's see where we end up going from here. But Midnight Magnet hit. Oh my gosh, it's running away. Oh my gosh. Bob to Bob. It's going Bob to Bob. It's going Bob to Bob. Shoot. You know, I low-key wanted to do this Bob to Bob level. That's the Bob to Bob. Let's see if it actually... Gonna scoot it off to the side. Let's see if it would have worked out. Just, again, out of curiosity. It makes me sad now, but whatever. Reset chart. Double top and drop by the looks of things. I'm trying not to chase and I'm trying not to FOMO. Okay, this is unfortunately a little bit more of a B setup than an A+ setup. The bummer. Okay. Yeah, this is more of a B than an A+. Yeah. This looks like it would have been a banger trade. Pity. Yeah, definitely more of a B, not an A+ setup over there. dead duck bounce. Don't leave us hanging one chap. We had 20. What's up, Hammer? How you doing? Back from your 3-kilometer run? Oh my gosh. You went for a 3K run in that time? That was quick. You know, maybe you can let it play out first at the bottom already, giving a nice buy setup anyways. Who's catching knives? Shaki, that's what I was low-key thinking. I'm like, meh. It's 100% okay if you don't have any other way of making money. Compound trading is the way to go. And you have a lot more than 100% in 5 years. Markets have to breathe. Got it. I have 10K run. I've had a 10K run in my dreams. You know what, Hammer? Facts. That's all I have to say to that one, just facts. I get it. Harry? Give me a second. He's fine. I don't know. Did you go and chase something? I don't. Yeah? Did you go and chase something? Come, are you gonna come say hi? Oh, look. Hello. You have sand on your face. We went to the beach this morning, even though it was cold. You can't say I don't love him. You can't say I don't love him. That was not English, but anyways. Hey, Kalani, what's up? Nah, I actually lost a little bit. It was rude. I got literally ticked out of my trade. Anyway. Good do yourself and not sharing the cheats. Really likes this go. Appreciate you, fam. Aw, thanks, Curix. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, no, definitely would not take this trade. Hitty. Oh well. Let's see what it does. This is me being curious about the bob-to-bob level trade. Guys, I'm still a little bit bummed, which is also why I'm not really taking a trade, because I feel like emotional, which is bad. Don't let the emotions dictate your trades. I'm still, as you can tell, because I've mentioned it like 15 times, still a little bit emotional and upset about the fact that it wicked me out. You can see it literally wicked me out and then went beautifully down. I had the right idea, but like I said, I can then feel the emotions are low-key wanting to take control, which is not what we want. Don't emotionally trade. Breathe. Become neutral again. And then you can trade your setup. Sorry, I know I'm ranting a little bit. You guys know that's what I do, so that's fine. That's like old news. But where's the 5 a.m. candle? Oh, that drop was the 5 a.m. candle. Okay, not bad, not bad. Bit of a retest here. I think it's gonna retest a little bit further up soon. I finished my tea, kind of. I'm setting myself up for the buy at 26747. Okay. Into the sell-off at 26918. Damn, Virgil. Okay, wait. How long do you think that trade's gonna take, though? Like, you planning on that happening today? Or is this like until the end of the week situation? Or do you think it's gonna hit in New York? Yeah, genuinely curious now about that. Oh, I'm gonna be salty if this works out. I will be, won't I? I will be very salty. I have Hobbits running 24/7 and more to add to them. I'm retired at 41. You work it out. Debbie, I'm pretty sure I have asked you this question, but like, what do you do all day? Retired at 41. Do you travel a lot? If you travel a lot, I am very jealous. I would love to go and travel, but it's expensive. Maybe the end of the day, the buy, I'm presuming, and then tomorrow's high is the sell-off. Okay, cool. The market is moving too slow. It's annoying. Sorry, HHH. Being right in trading too early in trading is... Yep. It is, Hammer. So that's low-key where I'm at. Which is obviously not good. Don't let the emotions take over. Just because you're a little bit salty about the situation. Just means leave it alone for now. Okay, let's see if it just sits on Midnight Magnet for a little bit. The full range 50% is here at 941. The small range is here at 913. Let's see if we get a pullback this far. If it was a bob to bob trade, I would have been in the green here. Probably would have gone break even if I'm being honest. Curix says, drop where you're watching from. Nah, I'm just at home chilling in the house. Yeah, wait till CPI come out. When is that, Virgil? Wait, when is that? You see the money going butter. Let's try and choose the bread and your thoughts and emotions or the butter. I guess. No, Virgil, no. That metaphor just went right over my head. So they same like your placement, looking for your stop loss. Oh wow. Have stop level. Real one showed up. Real to 25 now. Aw, thanks. Curix is watching from Boxburg. How is Boxburg treating you? You gotta love Boxburg. And if you're not tagged in, you don't worry. Oh, nice, Basu. Okay. So if you are tagged, awesome. If you're not, whatever. I don't like where the stop loss is on this one. Else, like I said, it wouldn't be the worst trade. Pity, pity, pity. Oh well. I mean, this one's not bad. It's just huge. Jan, you're from the Netherlands. That's awesome. It's cold over here. Yeah, it's also cold here. I've also heard that Joburg has just been raining non-stop for like the past while. We finally got rain here yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday it finally like started raining. And now today it's cold and drizzling on and off, which is great. Because I was really sick of the heat. You're from New York, that's cool. Oh, thanks. Monster? Is it Monster? No, I feel like I'm butchering that. I'm gonna call you Monster, if that's okay. Oh, another hiccup start. Oh, okay. Like I said, this would have potentially been an entry zone, but went hands off because it's not A+. Like, it's okay. I would say this is closer to like an A setup, but it's not an A plus setup. Maybe a B plus, something like that. Okie dokie. Let's see. Let's see how this reacts here. We've lost some of our volume now. Okay, as I said that. Boop. Oh, that would have been instant stop loss. At least I listen to myself sometimes. Sometimes being the keyword. The full range entry is over here for a short at 941. That is the full range entry. I just don't like the setup for it. The US visits the New York Stock Exchange. Aww. Because what's up? I feel like I butchered that. I'll low-key trade outside the New York every day if I lived in New York. Really curious, what would you just go with like your laptop and be like, look where I am? I'd be like super excited about it. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what type of price action we get here. Don't I trade gold? I do not. Sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I do look at gold now and then. Gold just feels, how do I put it? Okay, well, if I did the full range, that would have been the entry. Let's see what it does now. How do I put it? Gold feels like a completely foreign language to me. I don't know if that makes any sense at all, but like with MNQ, I know it's a diva and I know what to low-key expect from it and but with gold, not a clue. Yes, Dave, I'll be there with my UPS and laptop, just the vibe. I love it. Oh, why let that be a goal. One day you're gonna go and trade just like that. That'd be pretty cool though. You're gonna go travel to New York and you're going to do just that, just for the vibe. I think it's time to go get breakfast. Fancy pancakes for some reason today. Oh, what the heck, man? I would like some fancy pancakes. Can I get some fancy pancakes? Please? Thanks. I would like pancakes. Pancakes on a nice cold rainy day seem amazing. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How you doing? One day I'll go into and trade from the floor. Ooh. Like literally sitting on the floor. Sorry. So is that like a bucket list goal, Curix? That's quite cool though. But is that like literally a bucket list thing for you to do? Sorry. This is now going back to being a little bit meh. 120. Okay, let's give this a little bit longer. Let's give it a little bit longer. Okay, 21. Let's run it up to 25 next. Oh, it's Jody. What's up, Jody? How you doing? How was the rest of trading yesterday? Did you manage to get back into the profits, or did you end a little bit in drawdown? I want to do it in the 3 major issues. That's awesome. That is a very cool goal to have. I must say, is it weird that I'm low-key excited So Curex, actually don't know if you knew this, there's like a trading expo. Yeah, it's like a trading expo that does happen in South Africa. It's happening in August, if I'm not mistaken. Definitely gonna go, right? Gotta go to that. But I'm very curious to see how it is. I'll just go for the free version though. You can pay $200 for like a badge and a lunch and drinks, and I'm just like, no, it's fine. I will just go for free for the vibes. So I meant I would like to have some pancakes. Oh, okay. New York isn't really that much fun. It could be just me and everyone else that lives there since birth. Default, I mean, it would be the same here. It's like people that live, who were born and grew up by the beach. They're just like, the beach is whatever. People who are not love coming to the beach. Maybe, yeah, in Cape Town. Nope, not in Cape Town. It's in Joburg. Maybe it was in Cape Town last year, but it's in Joburg this year. Unless they're having two, one in Cape Town and one in Joburg, but the one I saw is in Joburg. OTT, what's up? Did you and Jordy like conspire to just hop on at the exact same time? We almost got full crew in stream. I love it. Finished at like -70. That's not bad though. Well done. Well done for picking yourself up out of that. That's awesome. What pair is this? Hi, welcome. This is the Nasdaq Futures. Volume is not working good. Yeah, it's okay. It's about to go down. We just like that for... seriously. Am I talking about FMAs? No? No? I don't think so. Now you make me like question a bunch of things. No. I was talking about that, that trading... not really a convention. Just trading thing happening in Joburg in August. I sent it to you, right? I did. The event in August, isn't it called FMAs? Is it? Wait, let me see. I sent it. OGT, I know I sent it to you. Let me quickly check here. Traders Fair Africa. It's just called Traders Fair Africa, so maybe not FMAs. 2026. It's the Pan-African Financial and Trading Expo. Yes, I don't think it's the FMAs. Yes, we know about ICT. What's up? Nice time? Oh, that's different. Oh, were you thinking about the FMAs, Jordy? Because you said that you've been to this before. Let me maybe send this to you. There we go. I sent it to you. Oh, yo, Debbie, that was a weird day. Gosh, that was a weird... To be fair, I think it was one person that just had like 50,000 freaking, whatchamacallits? Like, YouTube accounts, that's it. And was just spamming. If you haven't liked yet, join the wave. Next up, 25. Curex is on a mission here, guys. Good. Wear a pink... where did I get pink from? Wear a bikini, please. It's winter here. No, I'm not wearing a bikini. Screw that. I'm going to be wearing the most layers humanly possible. That's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, 526. Oh, dag never. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going a little bit longer. Still absolutely disgusted at the fact. Ugh, I got wicked out. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We still have New York today as well. I'm only down like $28, $30, let's say $30 with comms. Hey, Vix Nix, what's up? How you doing? Nah, I've been to IFMAs tons of times for work and stuff. This one looks for traders, which I like. Yeah, exactly, Jordy. And I mean, there's the free version. I will be doing the free version. Don't know if you saw that other one that's like $200 for who and for why. I do not know. But anyways. I didn't wear one and she was sweating like crazy. She's definitely not doing it now, literally, Debbie. If that was your range, am I tagged in? Vasu, no, I'm not tagged in. I didn't like the setup / the setup was just too big. But yes, this theoretically is the full range. This would have been the tag in here at 0.5. Maybe it does work out. I'm a little bit hands off now. I'm a little bit hands off to see what this does. Is it actually just going to bounce back up into this range again? Are we going to continue back down to Asia low? It's a little bit up and down today. Let's see. That's what I'm kind of curious about, what it's going to do next. It is rejecting off of this, so if it... Yeah, I'm conflicted. We just got over winter. The coldest it hit was -32 Fahrenheit. I check your $200 a Steve for us for dinner. Please, we can just go out to Ridge. Literally, Jordy, I can get McDonald's for like, what would it be? Like $3? Not even. How much would we pay for a McDonald's? Let's say I get, even if it's 100 Rand worth of McDonald's. How many dollars is that? Let's see. Okay, anyways. Let's say I got 100 Rand. $6. I could go to McDonald's for $6. Screw it. And get a decent meal for 100 Rand. Today, so weird. I'm expecting NQ to be bullish, but ES to be back. What? OTT, you want to link up in August? I'll buy you an Oros, my treat. No, he wants milkshakes, Jordy. Just that this thing. And why? She's gonna give me a kiddie's meal. You're in India. You don't drink though. I was trying to entice you, but I see you're still grinding. What's up, Mr. Chaos? Sorry, I'm having such a good giggle right now. So this is what I wanted to see, if we were going to reject off of this 50%. If we reject off, the buyers might be back in play, and it did indeed reject off. Let's see. Like I said, I don't like trading in this shaded range either. Hey, Multimiro, what's up? Oh, I got you. I love that stuff. There we go. At least a milkshake. Oh man, you guys are too funny. So what I'm hearing is we're gonna go get milkshakes and kiddie meals. We gotta keep a PG-13 for OTT. Okay, so I'm watching this because I'm genuinely curious about what's going to happen. It's about to tap into VWAP on ES. Is it going to reject off of it? Or is this thing going to go back up into the damn range? I think it might go back up into the range. Was it $300 $200 or 200? I thought it was $200. Jordy, it was $200, right? How I feel about Maggie News, you know, the 2 min ones. So let's say here. Wow, so the dollar's up to 16.56. I mean, I say like, wow, like that's not bad. So if I'm sorry, no meal and a badge and is worth 3,312 rand. Oh, okay. Anyways, my friend is a huge fan of you, and he's in the hospital right now. Posh, how dumb do you think I am? Anyways. And eat it with bread. Trust, join the community. OTT, I'm still being patient for price target that may never come. And yes, I expect a rejection there still. Oh, did it get close? Not really, hey. No, did it get close? Sorry, let me actually check on ES. Hey, Angry Bob, how are you doing, by the way? Oh, I guess not, like, not that close. Not that close, but that's... Why are you so set on that target, Angry Bob, if you don't mind me asking? Genuinely just curious. I'm not judging or saying you're wrong or anything. I'm like, where did you get that 220? No? How much? Yeah, the 220 from. I know I don't listen to all the speakers. No, I'm going for the brokers and freebies. $200, man, that's diabolical. I can get the 30k payout and still wouldn't cough up that 200. No, not yet. Okay. I agree with that. 200 is 200, fam. Plain and simple. Okay, let's see now. Beautiful rejection off of there, followed by a bit of engulfing. I think we've lost some volume now. I said that earlier, and guess what? The volumed like it never volumed before. And I was just like, my bad. I'm sorry. Oops. What a ride. First almost hit my TP, then almost hit my stop loss. I'm turning off my PC to stop my emotions for watching the chart on your screen. Great addict, no, that's no. Okay, I agree with you. Turn it off, take a step back. I think that's also... The issue right now with me is my emotions are a little bit spiked because of this. I don't exactly appreciate being given the middle finger by the market, but you know, whatever. Yeah, source mail. There's a proper ticking level. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay, Angry Bob. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. But why the SA trader thingy $200 and someone getting scammed? It looks like it's outside people coming in. OTT, that's the only thing I can get from it. So it's not actually a bunch of SA people, it's like a bunch of foreign companies and that are coming in as well. That's the only thing that I can maybe think. Enough for ticket, and I wouldn't mind getting Jay to come, but I know he would be bored out of his mind. Debbie, it's so expensive. Gosh. Sure, you could go, but why would you? McDonald's is very... oh, where I live. I don't know. Actually, no, that's bad. I'm sorry. Plus, it's around $15 for a meal. Okay, okay. Like one meal. Maybe it goes free, but the VIP costs $200. Like, what's so special with getting VIP? It's suspicious. So, I mean, $15 for a meal, 248 rand for one meal. I feel like that's it's a lot. I think that's still a lot. Okay, a little bit too late to notice this. Oh, and never mind. It tapped into VWAP on ES. I wanted waiting for the rejection off of that. Nap meal. And they've got a few scams in the speakers list as well. Are you serious, Jordy? Who's in the speakers list? I'm with you now. Don't say what's included with VIP is suspicious if not. So it does say what's included, Debbie. It's like a meal and drinks. That's about it. Jordy, of course. There's always gonna be scammers that I meet. Okay, 5:37. Oh, guys, I might be calling it a little bit early today. I'm trying to register for this thing. Do you have to register? Can't you just show up if it's free? It feels dumb. Am I a trillionaire yet? Are you crazy? I'm not even a ne. No billion, no million, no nothing. I'm not even a ne. Manish, what's up? How you doing? Nope, 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 nope. Just nope. I'm still bummed. And salty. Oh, this might just be messing around in the bob level until New York. That wouldn't surprise me. Is there news today, guys? Just before I get all hopes going. That's so real. Yep. You calling a little bit earlier every day. Well, trade, meh. I doubt I'm gonna take another trade. Don't want to waste your time. Wait a second, OTT and Jordy, you all missed the butterfly of the day, can I just say? I'm offended. You guys should feel bad. You missed out. Hey, JS, what's up? How you doing? No news, thank you. Thanks, Trade Addict. Appreciate ya. Any capital for 5k, please? My man, so do I. Hi, Javan, what's up? How you doing? Which fund is this? Are you asking like the 50k? I'm on a 50k funded. Extra 200, I expect more than $1 million drawings. I can spend twice that on normal fam day out. Yep. Literally, Debbie. That's the thing. Definitely not worth it. What's up? How you doing? Don't underestimate the folders, especially with Trump being in the market maker. So, Curix, are you saying there's yellow folder news happening today? What's up, Vimukith? E? Sorry, I missed the I at the end. Did exactly, especially news at 200. Can do quite a bit. Market only stop loss. I'm not going to trade. Overdose indeed. Yeah, that's it. It did that to me. It did it to me. It was rude, but whatever. It's okay. Solid idea just literally got ticked out. We have unemployment claims and flash PMI at 350. Thank you, Curix. Appreciate you. Ah, too late, David. Now I saw it. Can you help me pause 10k fund account, please? My man, I'm trying to pass my own funded account right now. Funded company name. Oh, I'm with Top 1 Futures currently, yeah. Send link on comment. Oh? I mean, all the links are in the description below for Top One and, well, Tradeify. And I'm going to go on about the Tradeify thing a little bit. Sorry, guys, but there is some awesome specials going on with Tradeify currently. Especially if you're South African, you're a little bit limited to what you can and can't trade, which kind of sucks. Yep, one meal costs that much. 10 nuggets, 1 drink, medium fries. If you ask for extra sauce, they charge you extra. What the hatedly day, man? Jackie, that's expensive. Do you then have a meal and drinks in return? No, there's loads you can do an essay that's actually worth spending money on. For nearly 3,500 rand, you can do so much. You can go for a flight to and from to the beach, go chill at the beach for the day, and fly back for that price. Oh. Is Tradeify trailing drawdown or static drawdown count? It depends. Overdosed indeed. It depends. Majority of them are actually end of day drawdown, but you're gonna have to double check. It depends on which account you get. Some of them have trailing drawdown, but majority are actually end of day drawdown. This link does not. Hey, Celestial, what's up? How you doing? I don't actually know what that dude is talking about. I just got you. I know. Wait, so what's the conversion rate for sterling? What rands or sterling to rands? Is that what you're asking, Debbie? Sterling to rand is so sorry, did you see my eyes just £1 is 22 rand, nearly 22.5 rand. So Debbie, out of curiosity, how much would like a McDonald's meal be for you in pounds? What's up, Celestial? Yes, sterling sounds like some British. Well, it is, I guess. I was going to the journal trades alert. I haven't looked at it, but I just realized since November till now I've only won 4 trades on Wednesday and lost 4 trades on Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesdays are just not your days. Literally, just not your days. Help me get funded so I can blow it as I'm not ready to trade. What? Huh? Trade addict? What do you mean? £5 is how much a Big Mac meal and my thighs. David, that was bad. That was really bad. Okay, so I would still be, so if I took, sorry, not this one was me being curious about something. If I had taken this trade, I don't know, like I said, I don't know how I feel about this trade in general, but I would still be in this thing. I would be very much in the red, but I would be in it. Oh, just coming to that. Oh, got it. Wish it would best keep running. Bye. Oh, cheers, Mr. Chaos. Bye. You were here and now you're gone. Bye. Why are we screaming? What happened? I'm waiting to hear how much a meal costs at McDonald's for Debbie. Debbie, how much do you pay for a meal at McDonald's? Waking up, the chant is not moving. Oh, sorry, depending on the meal, around 6 to 12. Debbie, I'm not gonna lie, that Loki made me just want to start crying. Okay, so let's go with 50, right, for 2 of you. So I'm having like a little mini life crisis over here. That is 1,120 rand. Rounded up slightly, but 1,120 rand. 1,120 rand. Debbie, if you came to South Africa, you could probably buy like 15 houses and not even notice it. What the heck, man? Okay, so McDonald's is around 6 to 12. Okay, let's go with 6. Let's just do £6. Okay, 134. That's better. That's better. That's more quote unquote normal. £6 is 134 rand. 135. Wow, okay. Multimedia, you're saying a short's coming now? One time chance you need come ready today. Good trade can be found at 6 US time. What's that, 50? Yep, for £50. £50 is insane. 1,120 rand. That is a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Okay, so I'm gonna move to SA and bring 3k USD. I'll be set for life. Oh, no. Maybe not 3k USD. I'm talking about pounds here. 3k USD, you definitely won't be set for life. How much? I mean, you won't be bad. Do dollars to rands again? Okay, so let's go 3,000. I mean, you'd have 49,647 rand, so nearly 50k. Depending if you're a big spender, that might last you for a month, maybe 2 months. Depending on if you're a big spender or not and where you're living in the house and things. I don't buy from McDonald's, but I can buy same stuff for £3 different. Hello, restaurants. Ooh. Looks like I'm moving to SA. Yeah, no, honestly, Debbie, you would be good to go. Literally, good to go. You know, it's not good to go right now. The damn chart. What do you want on the way to either? Okay, I'm gonna leave this up. How are we looking for time? Yeah, 10 minutes left. Oh, I did have to go because the cops are probably... They did say they would get you at around 12, so let me call it. I'll wait for them copy cops to come. Yay. Damn, I forgot about that. Forgot about that. Okay, guys, then I will have to call it a tiny bit early. I know it's like 10 minutes early, but the charts are now going sideways. Yay. Got a little bit of the middle finger during London today, but that being said, it does look a little bit better than what London has been giving me. So a little bit of the middle finger because it just wicked me out, but it's better than what London has been giving me the past few days. So maybe there's progress. Maybe tomorrow London will be a whoop whoop. Let's see. But this is now going sideways. I have to go and make sure that I'm ready. I mean, like it's called No Magic. Oh, David, I already watched that one. But yes, let me head off. I'll be back for the New York session. Hopefully I see you guys there. New York. Let's see if we can get another whoop whoop or if we're gonna be in the red for today. But let's see. One trade at a time. Right, guys, that's where we are at. One trade at a time. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Like I said, I'm going to keep this trade up. Let's come back for New York and see if it would have been a win or not. I personally wouldn't have taken this, but let's see. Okay. I love you guys. See you soon. Trade safe. Speaking of, I think that's the police. Okay, I'll be right back. Love you guys. Bye.